How to change your passwords in Marriott.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your password in Marriott.com. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open up any browser and then head over to Marriott.com. So, go to your profile in the top right and then scroll down, tap on profile. And once it opens up, you'll need to scroll down again and you can see under security and privacy, there is change password. Just tap on edit. And now you'll need to put in your current password, your new password, and then confirm it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.